Okay, welcome. So today I'm going to show you how to um, import an image and process your image. So I'm in the Industrial Tech app stream. I've got VCarve open. I went ahead and searched for an image. You always want to click on your image and get it larger on the side here. So I'm just going to use this image. It's a fairly simple image. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click on that and you're going to go down and you're going to click on Save Image As. Once you click on that, what that's going to do is go ahead and download that to your Google Drive. So go ahead, click on that, Save Image As. Once you have that, you're going to go ahead. So once you go ahead and have that downloaded to your Google Drive, you're going to go back to the Industrial Tech app stream into VCarve. You're going to go up to the File button. You're going to select File. You're going to go down to Import, and you're going to go over to Import Bitmaps, and you're going to click on that. What that's going to do is open up a window so you can import your file. It's going to be in your Google Drive, so you're going to go ahead and click on this PC, open up your Google Drive, open up My Drive. Now, sometimes it does take a little while for everything to fully load. It's going to be in your Google Drive, so you can scroll down to find it. What I found works the best is if you sort by date. So if you click on date, the first thing that pops up should be the most recent file. And you can see here I've got this file with all these numbers. It was downloaded today. You want to check the download date. And you're going to go ahead and click on that to select it and click open. And you can see what that's going to do is that's going to import the file for you. So now I've got my image. What I want to do is I want to process this image. It's called tracing. And what that's going to do is that's going to take my image and convert that into vectors or convert that into lines that then my plasma cutter can cut out. So I want to make sure I have my image selected, and I'm going to go over here to the Trace Bitmap tool. It looks like a little chicken, at least that's what I call it. So you're going to go ahead and click on that Trace Bitmap tool. Now the default is usually it's going to come up, the type of tracing is going to be color. I almost always like to trace in black and white. Alright. Do not have to mess with any of these settings. You're just going to scroll down to the bottom of this window and you're going to click the preview button. And what that's going to do is that's going to go ahead and that's going to show how it traced out this image. So these are all the lines here. So once I've got that and I've got it traced, I want to go ahead and click apply and close. So now that I've got my image traced, what I want to do from here is now select my image and I just want to delete that. So if you right click and you can go ahead and go to delete, and that will delete the image. Now if you look at the image, it's all different vectors that can all be selected individually. So I do want to group these together, which will make my life a lot easier. So I'm just going to drag a selection box around everything. I'm going to right click and I'm going to go down to group objects and I'm going to group this all together. Now that my objects are grouped together, I can resize. Alright, if I need to. I can, anything I click on this, it's going to select everything. So the object is grouped, so you just want to remember that because if you need to do any trimming or anything like that, you do need to ungroup the object. So now that I've got that all grouped together, I would just go ahead, go to my save, and again, I know I've gone through saving before, so make sure you save in your drive, um, to make sure you don't lose your file. Okay, so I've got that saved, and next we're going to go over adding some text.